Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate your time spending here with me. So I did a little bit more of everything today. I went around and did hang some more lights, didn't wire them. Just got them off the little storage unit over there just to get them out of the way, but they're not sure if they're going to be in the way for the sheetrockers. Don't want them to break or anything since they have to sheetrock all these beams and stuff. Basically like how they're doing over there. They haven't finished that, but that's the bottom of it, and they're gonna sheetrock all the sides and stuff. So I got 5 of them wired yesterday, but don't know if we're gonna keep going, so I skipped that for now. We did pull the wire between this box, that box, that box, and that box, and I did finish piping that today. So finished all the piping up here. So these 2 pipes right there, and then this pipe over here for the lighting right at the end of the hallway. As you can see, I hung these lights, all the lights, this light, that light. There's 3 lights on the other side over there. You can't really see it right now. But anyways, pipe this over here into there, pulled that wire, as you can see right there. And then hung these 3 lights, this one right here, and then these 2 right here, that one and that one. And then also finish the pipe over here, which includes just stubbing into this room. So that'll get strapped up later once they sheetrock that. So that pipe goes into that box, and just kind of did the only angle I could out of the box. And then the other one over here that was around the corner, just stubbed that, or I mean 90 that 60-degree offset, and then stubbed that into this room over here. So that was all the pipe there. And also, no, maybe not, maybe just 3 wire pulls, all those pipes, and something else. I feel like I'm missing something, but I can't remember. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. Short and easy. Alright guys, just want to say thanks for watching the video today. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit like. That's all I'm asking for you guys. I don't want to complain or anything like that, but I take the time out of each and every one of my days to make videos. And also now I'm driving out to my house every day for daily videos. I mean, I kind of want to check it out as well, but also recording it. So if you guys could just hit the like button, I'd appreciate that. That's all I'm asking. Maybe a little subscribe, you know. See you guys back here tomorrow. And that should do it. Check the description for anything else. And if you got any comments or questions, leave them down below. And notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks so much, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day.